Grandma, how do plants use photosynthesis to generate oxygen? If oxygen is so abundant on Earth, why is it outnumbered by hydrogen molecules in space? How are gills involved in the aquatic gas exchange for fish to get enough oxygen?
Great questions, but I'm not a scientist.
What's chronic obstructive pulmonary disease? Can it be genetic?
COPD? It makes it difficult for me to breathe, and it can be caused by a condition called alpha-1, also known as genetic COPD. I'm finding out my risks for free with AlphaID at home. I took a saliva swab and mailed it to the lab to get my results. If I am diagnosed with alpha-1, treatment options may exist.
Maybe you really are a scientist.
I do know the chemistry of making cookies.
You don't have to be a scientist to discover your risk for genetic COPD. Get AlphaID at home for free. Learn more at alphaidathome.com.